Good morning, guys. Welcome back. I want to start off saying thanks for watching these videos. I'm having fun making them, so I'm going to keep posting. Today we are in Mystery Island, very small island, population of 0 people. So the people you see came from another island and they're here for tourism. So yeah, let's go explore. Alright guys, that's going to be it for me today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I got a bunch more videos coming out. We're having a great time, and we got a lot more ports to check out. So yeah, thanks again, and we'll see you next time.